It's your favorite trader, the king of automation, Giovanni Cruz. Welcome back to the Trading Code. Last week, I had a career trading week using my bots. I made over 50 grand in profits using my smart money concept bot. I used it on my personal live account, and I also used it on the Pamm account so I can make money for all of my investors. I've been preaching to you guys, this is the best bot in the world. There is no other bot that produces the sniper entries that my bot does, allowing me to use big lot sizes to flip small accounts and to make big gains for me and my investors. Guys, I literally took a $1,000 account to $28,000 in one day. The same day I did that, I did over $20,000 in profits on the Pamm. But come here closer. I want to show you guys something that a lot of traders ain't gonna show you. And that's this right here. Right? These withdrawals. I want to show you guys, this is a $1,000 deposit into $28,000 in profit. You guys can see it blue. This is a real account. This is a real account, guys. So now that we got that out the way, I want to show you guys how I made the profits. Make sure that you guys like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as I am the king of automation, and I'm going to show you guys how to escape the matrix using the automation that I built. So something happened with my video where it doesn't have any sound, so today's going to be a voiceover, but you guys can see I wanted to start the video with a quick withdrawal of $28,000. You guys can see it is processing. You guys can see the other withdrawals that has already processed. But yeah, I want to start the video with a nice withdrawal so you guys can see it's the real deal. So first I want to show you guys how I was able to turn my $1,000 into $10,000. So you guys can see here I already have marked up a support, what I call a retail support, where all you retail traders are looking at to either buy or sell a breakout at. Right? So the market makers, they know this, they're going to play around these areas a lot to liquidity grab, right? So I knew that price was bullish. So once price came to these areas and broke out of these areas, I was looking to buy. So that's exactly what I ended up doing, guys. When you go to the 15-minute time frame, you guys can see it looks like a bearish breakout, right? Well, it kind of was, but it was really just made to manipulate people to start to get into sales so they can ultimately grab your money, right? Trap the sellers and push the market up. Also, we also have those people that just buy at retail support just because price is over there. So you guys may have had your setup look just like this, where you put your stop loss below a certain candle or a wick or whatever the case may be. So that's why they dip price lower than the retail support, because they know you guys have stop losses and pending orders there and whatnot. But what the smart money concept bot does is, instead of it buying our retail support, it waits for the liquidity grab to be over, and it gives you the sniper entry, so where you can get a setup like this with a 1 to 10 risk to reward. And that's how all of my entries look. And this is how the bot took an entry, and I was able to turn my 1,000 to 10,000 because I used a big lot on this setup, and I waited for price to go up because I knew that price was bullish at the end of the day, and that was just a liquidity grab. After my bot had made me $10,000 on gold, I went ahead and looked at US30 and I marked it up. I said, wow, looks like, you know, US30 is bearish. Obviously all the fundamental analysis match the technicals where all stocks are dropping right now. And I knew that, okay, price is pushing up right now, so let me go ahead and turn on my bot, right? And it took a sell because the higher time frames is selling, and you have the liquidity grab right here, so it sniped it. It sniped it right here. Again, you have to notice the areas of interest. This retail resistance that I put up, this is where everybody's looking for a breakout, so they come up here to these prices to retest and make people think it's gonna break out, buy, but we know that stocks is bearish right now. So my bot took a sniper entry just like this with risking very little, so I smacked crazy lot sizes. I had 3 lots, 5 lots, just kept dumping the lots in because I trusted my analysis. I trusted in the bot's entries, the entries 1 to 10, right? And it tanked all the way back down. And literally that's how I turned a 10 into $28,000 all in one day, because the bot gave me the best possible entry I could get. At this time of recording the video, I wanted to show you guys that my Pamm made $24,852, but currently it's at $37,666 in profit, because that Friday I ended up trading NFP and making more than $10,000 that day. Here you guys can see all the investor profits. You guys can see I had took a loss the day before. That's why that investor's in the red. But he's obviously in profit now because we made $10,000 plus. So I wanted to show you guys pretty much everybody is making money with this Pamm. Simply because this smart money concept bot is giving me the best entries, and I'm able to use a big fat lot and risk little. Here's an FX Blue account. It's a demo account that I've created a couple months ago, just having the bot run on itself, just without any interruptions. And you guys can see the profits and the returns and the maximum drawdown, which is like 26%, which is insane for the amount of growth that it did. Just insane. If you guys want to see the FX Blue for the Pamm account, just click the link in the description and you guys can see the results and all the data for the trades that was taken on the Pamm. You see, trading has become super easy for me ever since I've created the smart money concept bot. I made over another $10,000 on the Pamm just by using this smart money concept bot and understanding what's going on in the markets. I made money all throughout this week where most people may have lost money. Made money during this setup the other day, and I also caught the sell back down and I caught the buy back up. It's simple support and resistance, what we're all taught, right? When we first begin, simple support and resistance, but there's manipulation in it because we don't know when it's going to break the highs or break the lows, right? But thanks to the smart money concept bot, it's great at detecting manipulation. It detected that it was only going up because it planned to go back down, right? So this bot gave me a sniper entry for the sell all the way down here. It was a violent sell too. Just went straight down there, right? Broke through retail support. We got the breakout traders selling, everybody selling, right? Got out, banked out that cheese, and then I caught the liquidity grab as well. Boom. Look at that. Little to no risk. When I tell you I had a sniper entry, I had a sniper entry. And I was willing to hold this to the moon because it might have broke this time. It didn't end up breaking, but I still banked over $10,000 that day because I was able to put a big lot size in at the bottom and just hold. All you gotta do is come into the markets and think, how are the market makers gonna try to F me today? Well, you look at the left, you see all the retail traders getting ready to look at these areas for a breakout trade. These are the areas they're going to try to test so that they can trap these people and they can make money going back down. Okay, guys, retail support, same thing. We're looking for breakouts at the retail support. Oh, goodness, it's violently dropping. Let's sell. No, you don't do any of that. You just turn on the bottom and you follow the trend of what's going on, because most likely it's just manipulation. So when it comes down to these retail areas, no, I do not sell because the higher time frames are still very bullish. So let me show you guys how you guys can filter the manipulation by just using my smart money concept bot. So let's go ahead and get into some simulations where I show you how to take sniper entries. First, I want to show you guys some real results of me making $25,000 on an MT5 terminal. You can't make this up. This is the history. You guys see the reds, you guys see the blues, you see all the profit that was made on the Pamm. So I want to show you guys again for the people who just don't believe. This is my other MT5 terminal where I have my live account on. You guys can see $1,000 deposit turned into $28,000. Look at all the blues. MT5 terminal history, live account. You cannot make this up. 28,000. You guys seen the profits, you seen the withdrawals. Now let me show you guys how the bot took these sniper entries. So you guys can see I have the bot on US30, and you're gonna see it take nothing but sniper entries right here, right? Sniper entries. And even though it keeps trying to hit our break even, we know it's a sell. Let's get back in, bot, right? So the bot keeps taking sniper entries and breaking even. First chance to get, you guys see it happens again. Market is liquidity grabbing, trying to get people's stop losses out. But no, we're gonna get this trade in because we know it's a sell, right, bot? And we are in profits deep, and take profit is all the way down here. And literally this is the same type of trade that was taken for me to be able to turn my $10,000 into $28,000. This same type of trade where price was going up near a retail resistance and it went above the retail resistance, manipulating buyers, and then it tanked. Just how it usually does in support and resistance. I like to have my take profits pretty big, so you guys can see that simulation. It didn't hit TP, so we could go ahead and change the take profit to make it closer so that we can hit TP in the simulation. And here we go. Look, it's gonna smack. And here we go, guys. Same trade, just take profits was hit earlier. I like to have big TPs because you just never know if the market gonna keep dumping. I like to usually manually close my profits, but like I said, if you have a nice TP, most of the times it's gonna smack, guys. You guys see right there, smack, and then it buys. It buys the liquidity grab. This is what my bot does, guys. You can't make this up. It's not doing this. No other bot is doing this. Literally playing support and resistance perfectly. Perfectly. Catching the sell, then catching the buy. Sniper entry. This is how I'm able to make all this money, because I trust in the sniper entries and I'm smacking big lots. Every time. Every single time, guys. If it hits, it hits. You know, like, I trust that the bot's gonna break even, so it's cool. Look, it hit that time. Then it's gonna catch the sell, break even. It just knows how to adapt in every single market. So it's beautiful, guys. This is how I was able to turn my 1,000 to 28,000 in one day, and then turn my $4,000 Pamm into over 60K now. You guys can see another sniper entry. Man, it's been a crazy week, guys. You guys seen the results, all the proof, the bot, how it trades and everything. I can't make this up, guys. Literally, it ain't luck. I've done it over and over and over again, using this bot, using this strategy, and it just works. The markets will always change, but the bot knows how to adapt. I know that you guys came here to see profits, and I gave that to y'all. But I hope that you guys really take what I say in analysis seriously and really soak up the free game that I give y'all. If you feel like you learned something valuable in this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep going crazy and backing it up with results. Everything I'm saying to y'all guys, I'm giving y'all real games that I use in the markets every single day, and I'm showing you guys how the bot works and how I'm using it and how I'm profiting, withdrawing from the markets, automated. The first trader to ever do this. I'm saying really withdraw big money using automation they created. Everybody else, man, you know they're not doing it like we're doing it at the Trading Code, man. So if you want to purchase the bot for yourself, click the link in the description where you can purchase the bot for your crypto. If you want to get started with the Pamm, click the link in the description. It's going to be my Discord, and you guys can get started with the Pamm any amount of money. There's no minimum deposit, no maximum deposit. All you got to do is click the link in the Discord, follow the instructions, and get started. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed.